Hello, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you this journal that I have available for sale, and it is made from Kelly's Crafts Bee Eaters free digital kit, and she's on Journaling with Junk and Digital Kits or Digi Kits on Facebook group. And this is 9 by 6 3/4, and it has 101 pages, and then front and back, so you have 202 pages. Has 3 signatures, lots of writing spots, lots of tucks. So let's take a look at this. I did a frame on the front with the image from the kit, some pearls up here, and then we have some lace and doilies behind that. And the back here, we have this little dangle, and this blue and this white one are shells. And we have a star and a key, so just something fun. And then the white is picking up everything. So that is stitched. The front and back cover is of this paper from the kit, collage paper. And then that doily from the front is wrapped over. You can use that for a little tuck spot. There's lots of stitch pages in here. And this is the first signature. We have some words. Every tag and journaling card is backed by coffee dyed paper, and I use vanilla in my coffee dyeing. Here is a little Kool-Aid or Easter egg. I think it's the Easter egg dye. So here is a coloring page. The front half, we'll be friends forever, for always and no matter what. And then here you embrace all of the goodness have to offer, and then with a breath of kindness blow the rest away. Here is a ledger paper that is coffee dyed. And an image from the kit. There's a zipper pocket with a tag. And this kit is called Bee Eaters. There's a belly band. Here is a vellum pocket with a journaling card. Here's a receipt, and it has a few pages. Here is popcorn bag. Music sheet with the piece of lace stitched on it. Book page. And this side of the book page has some handwriting, which I love. Well, I have to fix that. And that is some blue dyed paper, which is a pocket. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. You'll find a few quotes and sayings and words in here. Here's the center of the first signature. Here's pocket. pocket and tag. And this is a little tuck spot here. I love these dyed papers. Here's a wax seal, a Tree of Life, with a lace tab. There's a tuck spot with a tag. And these images that you see are all from the kit. It's a nice, big, beautiful kit. Here's just a little tag hanging on with a bulb pin. It has a button, a piece of cloth, and a piece of lace. I drew a blank for a second there. As you can see, most of these pages are stitched in. So here's a pocket. The end of the first signature, we have an inspection record that came in the kit. Second signature, and I tried to keep them similar. Each signature is similar. Here is a mini popcorn bag with a little library card in it. Vellum pocket with the vellum paper with the side tuck. And here's a little receipt. I stitched the top of that. Little tuck spot. I just love this. I believe this sheet is something that I have from another kit. Little tuck spot there. Here's a pocket. And it's reinforced with washi, which is bees. And then here's a pretty collage sheet. It's a little tuck spot. I like to leave tuck spots everywhere, pockets, because if you use it for things like, you know, concert tickets, you know, you have a space to put something like that without having to glue it in. So this is a perfect journal for journaling tuck spot. So there's lots of space in here. This you can attach something to it and it not bulk up. And then here's the other side of that mini popcorn bag. I just put a pocket at the top and a little vellum pocket here. And I have these little mini cards that are all from Van Gogh. Little box of cards I have. I believe I got from Etsy. And then here's a pocket on this foot page. Here's a pocket. And then that's the end of this and I didn't show the center of the signature. On the second one, I put these beads. On the first and the third, I just tied them into bows. And they are stitched in with wax thread. And those beads are so pretty. But yeah, they're waxed in with wax thread. This is a page of an image that I had of Edith Holden. And here's a tuck spot here. And then here's a popcorn bag. And a tuck spot on the other side. with the journaling card. And this is from a book, The New England Magazine, 1898. And there's an image on the back side. And here's another of the coloring pages. Tuck spot. And then here you have a pocket here and a tuck here. Pocket and tag. And here you have a receipt. And a pocket with a tag. And here's the center of the third signature. Tuck spot here. And here's the other half of that receipt. And the receipt is 3 pages. And it has a carbon on the last. And then here's a tuck. A collage there. Pocket. And then here's the other half of the popcorn bag. Where you have an envelope with some writing paper in there, and then you have a tuck spot there. Tuck spot here with another envelope with some writing paper in there. Tuck spot. Pocket. And the end of the journal. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, it is available. I don't have an Etsy shop, so I do private sales. So if you're interested in it, please let me know. You can leave a comment down below, or you can email me, and my email is down below. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.